A question over here on sets. So they have asked about disjoint sets, and they have given this following, and they have asked that like a collapse fine and like simple fine. So here they have given this set. So from this we can make the set. Okay. So what is a disjoint set? Is nothing but first you have to say a disjoint set is a set in which the elements are not repeated. Okay. So unique any elements inside this disjoint set should be unique, and they shouldn't be repeated again. So suppose 1 cannot be repeated again. So in that set, so usually they say, right, so suppose here 0, it is starting from 0, so it will be s of 0 is equals to 1 2 3, I mean, why is it not writing 1 2 3 and so on, like that we write 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So here the number shouldn't repeat. Okay. So and if you use it again, another set is there, suppose S6. So here also that number shouldn't be repeating. Like for such kind of sets are nothing but are disjoint set. So now from the given unions, so they have said union of like that. So they have said union 0 comma 1, union 2 comma 3, union 4 comma 5, union 6 comma 7, like that. So what is nothing but union is nothing but, so first letter is always your root 0, and here 1 is there. Okay. In set, same like our trees and our grass, we just point this towards this. Okay. The edge will be showing this edge towards 1. Okay. So now we have for 2 comma 3, union of 2 comma 3, I'll write beside it itself 2, and here it is 3. Okay. Now I have 4 comma 5, so 4 should be the root, and here 5. Okay. So which I have done, I'll just erase it, 4 comma 5. Now 6 comma 7, so this is 6, this is my 7. Okay. So this over. Now what they have asked, they have said again 0 comma 2 and 4 comma 6 and 0 comma 4. So as you can see here, 0 we already have, 2 also separately we have. So it doesn't mean that you will see 0 comma 2 means it's not like this. Okay. That is wrong. If you do like this, it's wrong. It is wrong way of doing. 0 comma 2 means this is 0 and this 2, this 2 we have to join. Okay. So how we will do that? So I have my, so better I do in this book itself. So see here, I'll do here. So I have my 0 over here and my 1 over here. So and my for 2 comma 2 union 3, union of 4 and 5, then 6 and 7, union of 6 and 7. Well, then what they have asked, so I write 0 comma 1, union 2 comma 3, this is 4 comma 5, it's visible, right, if I write this, then 6 comma 7. So now they have asked 0 comma 2. For 0 comma 2, how I do? First I will write my 0, I will write my 1 like this. Now what happens, this 2 will join to the right, like how we say in trees right child, like that rightly it will join. Okay, like this. Oh, now I have this my 3 like this, all previous how it was. So this is how we do 0 comma 2. Now 4 comma 6 it has asked. So where is my 4 ka? So 4 ka, see here, already I have 5 in this 4 thing. Now this 6 I'll just join like this. Okay, again what they have, 0 comma 4. So this 0 and here 4. So 0 ka 1, and here for 4 they asked, right? So this will be here 4, and here I will have 5, pointing like this. Okay, so this is how here. So now in this part of this, so how to find, they ask. So you have to make a array. Okay, first. So here it will be like position 0 1 2, so 0 1 2 3, so only for 3 we have. Okay. So this is S of union, I will write S0 X0 etc. So see here, for who is the parent of 1, it is 0. Okay. Who is the parent of 2, again we see it is 0. Who is the parent of 3, that is 2. So now for if it is root, now we will write minus 1. Understood? So see here, whenever it is root, we write it as minus 1. So if I ask now what is find of 3, so my find of 3, it will come here, it will see it is 2. So now it will see 2, 2 is here. Who is 2 ka parent? 0. Now 0, so 0 value is -1. So find of 3, ultimately it will be -1 itself. Though the parent of 3 is 2, but find of 3 it will be -1 because the root na, so wherever it will go towards the root and see like that. So this is how you write your what to say find of this normal find. So it is how it is done. So if we see in this part, let me do. So we have here 4 5 6 7. Okay, it will be continued like this. So I will be having a 0 2 3. Okay, 0 to 3 will be there itself like that. So here again ultimately I have to join this here. So let me do that. If I do like that, so see 4 is also joining to 0 and 2 is also joining to 0. So first 1, so 2 is here, so 4 I will place like this. Okay, now see for 1 I nothing is there, for 2 I have 3 here. Okay, for 4 I have 1 is 5, and then I have this 6, then I have 7. Now you can see for here, you can see, right? So now what I can do is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so now this is S. So S of S naught union S, what is that, S4 and union which we did. So we did S with 2, so that long thing, just see you have to write. So everything you have to S naught union S2, then union S4 and union S6, like that we have to write. So 4 times. So we will see here find of this. So now see here, who is the parent of 7? It is 6. Who is the parent of 6? It is 4. Who is the parent of 5? It is 4. Parent of 3 is 2. Parent of 4 is 0. Parent of 2 is 0. Parent of 1 is 0. And for 1 we don't have any parents, that is -1. Okay. So if they ask for any find of anything, ultimately that should be -1. But if they ask who is the parent of 7, so from here whatever the here, so these values are nothing but parent of the particular locations. So for 3 parent is 2. Now who is the parent of 2? So see in the 2 location, that is 0. Now for 0 we have -1 value. So ultimately like this we have to write the find of any particular given thing. There was also one more thing as a collapse find. So I didn't get particular proper resources on that, but from what I got the resource, what I understood is we collapse this okay, this edges. Okay, and according to what I understood, so this is 0, right? So each thing they will be collapsed, so one by one. So this 1 here, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So each, now for everything we will do like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at the end everything is collapsed and did like this. So for then for everyone they just said 0 is a parent, and so here for that separately if you write for everything, for this will be -1, but the remaining everything will be 0 for that. Understood? So this part I am not sure, I am just telling up from what I like saw and understood. So in some resource paper places they have just wrote the code for this, but how to find, I have shown you how to find this. So about collapse also they haven't said. So I have some example also which I solved while practicing in my class. So just a moment, I will show those things to you. Okay, so see here, so we had here set S0, and here we have set S1, and here we had set S2. Okay, so the same way they have written union comma 0 comma 6 comma 7. This is nothing but union, the way they asked in the question, union 0 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. It's like nothing but like that. So see, as you can see, this is a disjoint set. At the end what I did, I added all these 3. Now for that we can see, so for this separately, for this is the representation, array representation. So 0 1 and 2 are my root nodes separately, so they are -1 -1 -1. Who is the parent of 6? For 6 7 8 my 0 is a parent, 6 7 8 0 is a parent. For 4 and 9 1 is a parent. For 3 and 5 my 2 is a parent, 3 and 5 my 2 is a parent. Suppose I join this like this, ultimately now what happened, okay, 1 2 3, okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so see here, now here as you can see I have joined this all this 3 unions sets like this. Okay, so see here they have asked find of 8. Okay, only for this part of this. So find of 8 is 1. Find of 9 is also like any number, 9 is also 1. Now we will see here, this is 0. Okay, so what we did with 0 union 1 union 2. Okay, S naught union S1 union S2. Okay, this is nothing but the stroke. So here 0 I have minus 1. Okay, same way I will write who is the parent of 5, that is not, so same thing I will write here, but instead of here 1 and 2 minus 1, so for 1 I will have 0, for 2 I will have 1. Okay, then remaining things are as it is itself, 2 0 0 0 1. Now see here, if they ask find of 4, find of 4, ultimately it will see who is the parent for 4, that is 1. If we see here 1, who is the parent of 1, that is 0. Now for 0 we have minus 1, so ultimately if we see find of what is this 4 is nothing but our 0. Okay, understood, until we encounter minus 1 is coming. So see here, if here they are find of 4, it will be 1 only, directly 1, because for 1 there is no any root above any parent for 1. So ultimately it will stop at 1. Suppose find of 5, that will be here, it will be stopped at 2. But according to this diagram, find will be stopped like this. So what they are the disjoint set, right? So in disjoint set, what happens, this in the definition from the AI I saw, like every this edge will be broken, and for single thing it will be assigned like that, the way I have shown here, and like that it will be done. So this is what you have to know about union. Nothing else is required to write over here. So if you can see, even in the textbook they didn't mention properly about what is that this about this collapse find. So if you find anything, you can also let us know in the comments, so it will be helpful for others. So remaining how we write these trees and how we join that, how union is happening, so I have shown you. Represent how you represent. So see here I have joined, right? For 0 S naught I did S2 union, S naught union S2 I did. Okay, so I will write here S naught union S2, then S4 union S6, then again here S naught union S4. Then what I can do, this and this and this, na, so I can write in the bracket. So see, these three things, if I do like this, for these three things, nothing but are what to say representation, and you can write like this and this like this. So here this also comes like this. That's it, you have to write know about your union, nothing else is here. I hope all the important topics have been covered. So the leftiest tree I will explain you in the next lecture. So I hope you understood, and anything you have doubt, just let me know in the comment.